Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create and verify your KuCoin account. First, let's get you started with the initial setup. You will begin by registering using either your email address or phone number. It is crucial to create a strong, unique password to protect your account from the start. After entering your details, you will receive a verification code to confirm your registration, completing this first simple step. Next, we will cover basic identity verification, often called KYC Level 1. This step requires you to provide your full legal name and country of residence. You will also need to enter the type and number of a government-issued identification document. Completing this basic verification allows you to deposit, trade, and withdraw cryptocurrencies, with a daily withdrawal limit commonly set at 1 Bitcoin. For enhanced features and higher limits, advanced identity verification is essential. This involves uploading clear images of your government-issued identification, such as a passport or driver's license. You will then complete a quick facial verification scan. This process typically takes only a few minutes. Once approved, your account will have significantly increased withdrawal limits, potentially up to 100 Bitcoin daily for some assets. Finally, let's talk about securing your newly verified KuCoin account. It is highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for all important actions like logging in and withdrawing funds. Always use a unique and complex password, different from any other online service. Regularly reviewing your account activity will help you quickly identify and address any suspicious logins or transactions, keeping your assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.